tortoise switch machine for this video. Start off by locating where I want to place my tortoise up on the table. So from here, I'll take a track nail, snip the head off, center the position of the switch, place that track nail through the throw bar hole as it's centered, and then I will remove the turnout. As you can see, I already have it marked, but then I would take a pen, mark my spot, pull that nail out, and then come in with a 3/8 inch drill bit. Pull that out. Next, I will bend up the piece of metal that comes with the tortoise switch machine. I'm not going to use the one that comes with it. I went out and bought .032 music wire. It's a little thicker and it's longer. I'm using foam, so I need something longer to go through the foam on the bed of my layout. So I'll bend it up to what the picture is on the instructions. I just use a pair of pliers to bend this part over, and then just use my finger and kind of eyeball it until it matches the picture. Since the wire that I am using is thicker, I'll take a pin vise and I will ream out the hole on the tortoise switch machine a little bit larger for this thicker wire to go through. Then I'll take a double pole, double throw switch that I previously soldered. The way to solder these up is you bring your hot and cold in from your feeder wires for your tortoise switch machines. And what I do is solder the in here, loop it around, and solder it there. Do the same thing with the hot. Bring it in on the bottom, solder it, loop it around to the top. And then the two middle points are what goes to the actual switch machine. So I solder those in and bring them out. So that's the double pole, double throw soldered together. Alright, the machine is ready for soldering. The two wires coming from the middle points of the double pole, double throw switch go to the tortoise switch machine. On the two end points. So let's get this soldered up. There are little holes in the points. My wires fit right through there. I just bent them at a 90-degree angle and poked them in there. I don't know what wires you'll be using, so it will probably be different. So we'll go ahead and solder this up. Now it's time to assemble the tortoise switch machine. That's as simple as putting the fulcrum in the slot allowed for it. It is adjustable, so you can put it wherever is good for you on your layout. Slide the wire through it and put that end of the wire through the hole that we drilled earlier, or the hole that I drilled, sorry. And then place the screw in that hole. And start it so it stays. Grab my trusty screwdriver and just tighten it down. One thing you want to make sure when you're drilling that small hole for this wire, you don't want to go all the way through into the actual machine and damage it in any way. So just be careful. What you could do is set the drill bit on the pin vise sticking out about that far, and then that way it won't go any further in. So there's that. Alright, so here we are underneath the layout. Next, what I do is position the tortoise switch machine right where I want it. So this rod is in the center of my hole. With a pen, I just mark where I'm going to be putting my screws to mount the tortoise switch machine. Alright, I got my 4 holes drilled for the tortoise switch machine. What you see I've done is I've already installed 2 screws. Got them in there pretty good. What that allows me to do is actually install the switch machine, and those 2 screws hold it up while I come in with the other screws. And there we go. It's mounted under there. That's what she looks. What a lot of people do is take these wires and take them to like a circuit, like a terminal strip, or put something in them to disconnect them quickly in case they need to get this machine out of there. I'm not going to be doing that because I just don't care about it. You can if you want. Picked up 25 of these double pole, double throw switches. They were 95 cents a piece. Online at a place called LED Switch. www.ledswitch.com. Got 25 of them for 95 cents each. It was like $2 or $3 shipping, so I think that's a pretty good deal. If you get more than 25, they're 90 cents a piece. I think over 50, they're 85 cents a piece. So the more you get, the cheaper it gets. For right now, I only need 25 of them, so. But they work pretty good. They fit in there. They look nice on the fascia. And here we are back up top. But the switch is in place on the fascia. Rod is through. Back on the installed turnout. Now let's flip the switch. Alright, everything's working good the way we want it. And that's pretty much it.